Sawadee ka, welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'd like to show you how to make Yam Moo Yor or spicy sausage salad. It's gonna be easy and spicy recipe for you today. It's been raining whole day in Thailand today and it's gonna be raining again. The water come down. Get the umbrella! Let me show you how to make this dish quickly. Let's start with doing the dressing. For this, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, lime, and fish sauce. And next, we're gonna put some chilies in there. First, let me start with maybe 5 bird eye chilies. Just cut it roughly, diagonally. Oops, I forgot the shallots. Let me run into the kitchen and get it. Here's the shallots. Wait. Okay. Okay, so now the dressing is quite ready. And then I'm gonna prepare the vegetable. I use 2 twigs of the shiny celery. You just cut them into 2-inch or 1.5-inch length. Spring onion, cut the root out, and again cut them into 1.5 to 2-inch length. I like tomatoes, so I'm going to use 3 tomatoes, but if you have big tomatoes already, so maybe you can reduce number to 2 tomatoes. Now it's raining, so I have to hurry up. Let me move this vegetable into the mixing bowl right away. You like shallots, right? So we can put 2. Okay, so now all vegetables are ready. You can use almost any kind of neutral sausage in this dish. Remember to boil it in water with a little bit of seasoning soy sauce before you mix it in the dressing. Put the dressing into the sausage. Mix it first so the sausage can absorb the taste. Last step, just pour everything into the vegetable we have prepared. And mix them together. Look at the color. So this dish is just beautiful, healthy, and spicy. You definitely have to try it at home. It's raining right now, so my cameraman is getting soaked. So this is finished. This is my Yam Moo Yor or spicy sausage salad. So please try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. I'm getting soaked. Bye bye. The water come down under. Let's go. Put something on top. Get the umbrella. Your tripod is wet.